Hey guys, Gamers Recruit here. Today I have a white iPad mini unboxing. This is the Wi-Fi edition, 16 gigabytes. So I'm going to open it up. Previously been opened, but I have packaged it back up to make a video and polished it, so it looks really nice. So right off the bat, you get the iPad mini. Just pull up the corner really quick. Oh, whatever. There goes the power adapter. So here's the power adapter. I haven't actually opened this yet. That's the first time it's been out of the box. You get this on the inside. You get iPad mini, iPad info, and of course Apple stickers. Can't go with those. Those are the best part. Put this aside. Next thing you get is the lightning cable. So, once again, I'm going to show everything you get. As usual. So this is everything you get in the box, right here. And I'm just going to lift this up so you guys can see what it looks like. Here's the back. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.